Good evening, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi, and this is the Weston weather update for today, Tuesday, March 6th, 2018. It's been a nice day out there in general with pretty warm temperatures and mostly sunny skies. You wouldn't know it, but the biggest snowstorm of the season is on the way for tomorrow. Well, our weather headlines are quite simple. Really big snowstorm for, again, the day tomorrow, lasting through most of your Wednesday and even well into your Wednesday night and potentially even into early Thursday. Now, we have a winter storm warning up for all of Connecticut except extreme southeastern Connecticut, where it is a mere watch, and that's because we are not so sure that they will stay snow. In fact, it looks like at least some of that will be mixed in with sleet and freezing rain, to even just plain rain at times there. Danbury right now, though, at 3 o'clock, temperature is 44, dew point 25, with winds out of the southeast at 10 miles per hour. Now, we do have that storm for tomorrow, the biggest snowstorm of the season. This is one computer model's idea of how we're going to time things out. The snow beginning here at about 10 o'clock in the morning, Danbury right here on our map. And then we move on a few hours to 2 in the afternoon. This is not good. That is very intense snow, likely with even thunder and lightning in it, and snow accumulating, say, 2 to 4 inches an hour, maybe even slightly higher in certain pockets at this point. And then it takes until 1 o'clock in the morning to completely wind things down. It should end, again, between the hours of, let's say, 12 o'clock and 4 o'clock on Thursday morning. What am I expecting for accumulations? Well, on the high end, 2 feet. No, I don't mean that kind of feet, but I mean the 24 inches of snow, not completely out of the realm of possibility across northwestern Connecticut, but generally we should expect 10 to 18 inches with, again, locally that 2-foot amount possible. For much of central Connecticut, I'm going 7 to 14 inches along a swath that includes most of the 91 corridor. And then just off east of there, we're looking at 5 to 10 inches because of that greater concern for mixing. And then far southeastern Connecticut, yeah, I don't know that they're going to get that much at all because it looks like mostly a rain event for places like New London, Groton, and all the places that often have mixing in storms such as these. Now, on our visible satellite, we have an impressive circulation just off to our west over the Illinois area. And then to our south, more in the way of clouds and precipitation. These two systems, already you can start seeing it, these two will come together and form a large storm that will be your weather for tomorrow. And on our radar, we can see that there really are really two distinct patches of precipitation, one moving across Pennsylvania and the Delmarva right now, and then off to our west over Michigan. Again, both of these two come together off the shoreline of southern New England and produce that snowstorm. So for tonight, cloudy early with snow developing with a low of 29 degrees, and then for Wednesday, high of 34, but not great at all. In fact, really bad. Very heavy snow, 10 to 18 inches of snow is likely, up to 24 inches is possible. Pretty windy too, with gusting to 30 to 40 miles per hour. That could produce near blizzard conditions at times as we head on through your day tomorrow. On our extended forecast, we end the snow by your Thursday around 5 o'clock in the morning or so, but we stay chilly, 41. I can't rule out a lingering flurry through the day. Friday, same type of situation, a little colder with a high of only 36. And then the weekend looks dry with seasonable temperatures. So looking not too bad once we get through this big snowstorm for tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi. Be sure to follow us across social media and have a wonderful spring break.